how to log into your Nutmeg investment account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your App Store or Play Store, simply search down Nutmeg, and then from there make sure that it is installed. So after installing the application, you can simply open it, and then from here all you need to do is simply add in your credentials. So make sure to remember all of your credentials, right? So in here, simply tap on the login on the top right corner right here. Then you can either continue with your Google ID or you can continue with your email address according to what you have signed up your account from. So in here, after doing that, all you need to do is simply add in all of your credentials like your email address and the password of your Nutmeg account, and then from there you can simply tap on sign in order to sign into your account, right? So in here, if you haven't signed up for your account, you can also tap on the option don't have an account, create one, and then go along with the process of how you'll be able to create yourself your Nutmeg investment account. So like I said, all you need to do is simply add in the credentials and then tap on sign in order to sign into your account, and like that you'll be able to log into your Nutmeg investment account. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.